Teen had to be rescued from flooding in southwestern Kentucky. Layne Bullock and his best friend wanted to look at the damage caused by the storms from a four-wheeler in Marshall County. He says he drove into some water, not realizing it was so deep. The water swept away the four-wheeler and Layne, and he was left clinging to a tree.
I tried to get out of it, and I got out of it, and then we was trying to go back the other way, and then it just kind of slid off. The current pushed me off into the ditch, and then it kind of just went from there.
His friend called Layne's mom, and she called 911. The Marshall County Rescue Squad was able to pull him to safety.